Hello everybody, this is Darvesh Khan, Subject Specialist English. Today I'm here with you for a new lecture. That is the lecture number 35. Lecture number 35 is about object as complement. Now, how object is called the part of complement? Actually, object as part of complement, we understand that complement is that part of the sentence which completes it. How is a sentence completed by complement? This is quite clear to us that when we write subject plus verb structure, it means that this verb is intransitive. We need such a complement that completes it. For example, I say he plays, and then the meaning is incomplete. Where? What? So this is something that he is subject, plays is actually called a verb. But when I say he plays in the ground, now up to some extent the meaning is completed. Then where does he play? He plays in the ground. In the ground is called complement. So the meaning of complement is quite clear to us, that subject plus verb plus complement. This complement is used to complete the structure of the sentence. Now there are many differences through which we understand complement and its uses. But anyhow, in sentence I will discuss about 5 patterns of complement in a detailed way. But here let me just discuss object as part of the complement. Here we are concerned in complement, we are concerned with object as part of the complement and predicative as part of the complement. Now, it is clear to us that object as part of the complement and predicative as part of the complement, they are two parts of complement. Then what is object? Object is actually defined as that part of the sentence on which an action is performed. Second definition, that part of the sentence which receives an action. It means that there is a verb, and after verb there is an object. And what is the role of this verb? This verb shows us action. So therefore we say the verb is called action verb. So subject plus verb plus object. For example, I say he plays cricket. Now, he is subject, plays is verb, while cricket is used in place of complement, as part of complement, for one reason, in order to receive this action. What is this action? It is plays, and cricket is a noun that plays the role of an object. It is clear to us that object is that part of the sentence which receives an action. It means that this action is performed on this very word which is called cricket. It is clear to us that subject plus verb plus object, in this we have an action verb. All action verbs that we have, when they are followed by a noun and that action is performed on that very noun, then we call it an object. It is clear to us that when we say he teaches English, now here English is a noun, but this noun receives this very action. What is this action? That is teach. There is another example. I say they destroy the project. Now the project is actually called a noun phrase, but this noun phrase is used as an object because the word destroy, this action is performed over the project. There are various understandings of the word object, but let me simply state that object is actually that part of the sentence which is known to us in two ways. It can be a noun or it can be a pronoun. As a noun, it is clear to us that maybe it is singular or it may be a plural. It may be plural. So we say singular or plural. So we say, for example, I say Kamran. Kamran is a word. But when I say Kamran and Jamal, this is called plural name. So Kamran and Jamal. Like this, when I say about object pronouns, they are actually 7 in number. And what are they? It is clear to us that they are 7 in number. But these 7 are, the first one is me, second is us, third is you, fourth is them, fifth is him, sixth is her, and the last is These are 7 object pronouns that we use them as part of the complement. Now let me give another example. I say I brought him a gift. Now it means that I brought him a gift. Here the word brought is a verb, which is an action verb, but it is not performed over him. Rather, it is performed over a gift. A gift is actually called direct object, and him is called indirect object. But these two, this is called complement for the word brought. I hope so this video is quite beneficial for all of you. Please watch my channel, like it and subscribe it, and as well as share it with others. Thank you all. Best